So, good morning everybody. It's Sunday, 25th of May. This is our last day in Da Nang. We will enjoy the whole day at the beach. Then we will travel by Emirates to Bangkok, stay a night there, and going then back with Condor, Frankfurt, Germany. So it was for us most beautiful 3 weeks here in Vietnam. We saw a lot, we enjoyed it so much, the people, the food, weather, everything. And we always fascinated from Lady Buddha, which always look at us. So beautiful here. And as I mentioned, we enjoyed it. So this is a great view, and we will come back definitely. And as I mentioned in my earlier video, I guess Da Nang is a perfect base if you stay here in Southeast Asia for a longer time, and you can travel very good from here. The airport is from the beach, I guess 15-20 minutes by car. Cost you 5 to 6 euros, nothing. And you have a lot of international flights going from Da Nang everywhere. So for me it was always Bangkok when I decided to have a base here in Southeast Asia, but I changed my mind. For me, Da Nang is much better. So wish you all a good time, and hopefully Germany plays a very good football championship this year. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for listening and watching my channel. Bye bye.